In this video, I will show you how to do the 4-port calibration for a 4-port VNA. First, we need to edit the measure frequency according to the working frequency of your duty and allocate it to 3 channels. Third step is the board port. Then we need to repeat all 3 steps again for the other 3 ports. Then we need to do the transmission step. First is the port 1 to 2 through. We need to use the through calibration kit and select the port 1 to port 2. Then press the port 1 to 2 through button. Then we need to connect port 1 to port 3. Connect each port repeatedly, step by step. Okay, after we finish the reflection and transmission steps, then we can press this button, the down button. So that means we have finished all the calibration steps. So the trace line should be straight and located at 0. Okay, that's all. Thank you.